Verifying your domain in Mailchimp is essential for ensuring your emails are delivered successfully and appear professional. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Navigate to Domains. Click on your profile name or icon in the lower left corner and select Account. Go to the Settings tab and choose Domains. Add a domain. Click Verify Domain to begin the process. Enter the domain name you want to verify and click Send Verification Email. Check your email. Go to the email inbox associated with the domain. Look for an email from Mailchimp with a verification link. Verify the domain. Open the email and click the verification link. This confirms that you own the domain. Add DNS records. For enhanced email deliverability, you may need to add DKIM and SPF records to your domain's DNS settings. Mailchimp will provide these records in the domain settings section. Confirm verification. Return to Mailchimp and check the domain status. It should indicate that the domain is verified. Test and confirm. Send a test email to ensure everything is set up correctly.